state. Even in the air, you can hear the music of over 200 different types of birds. The buzzards are never-ending songs that change with each season and with each pair of eyes. I've got turkeys on the field. Folks here at Dollywood, we're real proud of our engine, Cinderella. Sometimes we like to sound off a bit. So what do you say, folks? Would you like to hear the engineer play a tune on that ballroom locomotive whistle? Yeah! All right, then on the count of three, let's all yell, blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle! Think of that, folks. How about a big round of applause for Eric and Cinderella? That was Eric and Cinderella saying, hey, no problem. Now, if you look off to your left, you can see parts of the Great Smoky Mountains, and you can tell why they're called that. They look like that most of the time. Over 100 years ago, there were over 1,200 farms in these mountains. And each one had the main house that the family lived in. It was kind of like this one on your left. They had a chicken coop where they gathered their eggs, a woodshed, they had a smokehouse, that's where they hung and cured meat, and a spring house. They kept things like their milk and butter cold. About forgot. They also had an outhouse. But kids, you don't know what the outhouse is used for. Well, then you have to be parents. But you might have to ask your grandparents.